24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear teacher. I welcome you on behalf of the Snowman publishers. In this video, we will cover the topic of shadows from chapter 5 of Science grade 5. The video will cover transparent, translucent and opaque objects, shadows, reflection of light. So let's get started with the teaching plan. Greet the students with a smile and ask them how they are. Then start introducing the lesson with a quick recap of what the students already know. Remember to always start building a new lesson upon previous knowledge of the students. Hence, you may ask them, how does light travel? Do all objects emit their own light? Keep connecting their answers with new questions so that a foundation for the lesson is developed. This will help the students revise about the relations between light and shadow. Keep writing the responses on the board. With the help of the textbook, explain to the students what transparent, translucent and opaque objects are. Collect different transparent, translucent and opaque objects and show them to the class. Shine light through them and ask the students to identify what type of objects they are. Ask the students what they observed when light was shone on an opaque object. Did they observe any shadows? Demonstrate to them the formation of shadows through an activity. Take a torch and a ball. Hold the ball near a wall and ask the student to shine light on it with the torch. Ask the students to observe the shadow formed on the wall. Now, ask the students to move back while shining the light on the ball. Ask students to observe the size of the shadow. Further, explain the formation of shadows and their sizes with the help of the textbook. Take a can and shine light on it from above. Ask the students to come closer and observe the shadow. Now, shine light on it from different angles and ask the students to observe how the direction of shadow changes. Relate this activity to the formation of shadows by the sun and explain it with the help of the textbook. With the help of the textbook, explain to the students what reflection of light is. Tell them why smooth and shiny surfaces reflect light and dull and rough surfaces do not. You can also demonstrate it with the help of a mirror. With the help of the students, quickly recap the lesson. Try to make the student participation more. For homework, you can ask the students to observe the shadows as they change through the day and make diagrams accordingly. They can choose a single object like a tree or a pole that they can easily observe through the day and make the diagram observing the shadows of that object. Thank you, Honorable Teacher, for your listening. Allah Hafiz.